ukuba amagosa okuthintela ulwaphulomthetho ephondweni aziwa ngokubanzi ngamapanyaza aza kuqeqeshwa ngokutsha ukuze abe ngamapolisa ezendlela apheleleyo phansi komthetho wesizwe wezithuthi ezindleleni. La magosa aphehlelelwa ngo-2023 phansi kwephulo lengqesho iNasi Ispani ngenjongo yokuxhasa inkonzo yamapolisa oMzantsi Afrika kwindawo ekugquba kuzo ulwaphulomthetho. ULesufi uthi uninzi lwamagosa lwenze uqeqesho lwezolwaphulomthetho, ubungqina kunye nemigaqo yokuziphatha, nto leyo ezakwenza kube lula kwinguqu yawo. Ongeza ngelithi abanye baza kutyalwa kwimida yelizwe ngeenzame zokuba kungabikho gosa lishiyeke lingenawo umsebenzi.
Undunankulu wesifundazwe saseGauteng ngokuwupanyaza Lesufi wenza isimemezelo sokuthuthukisa onogada basemgaqweni abadume kakhulu ngelokuthi amapanyaza. Uthi labo nogada bazohlakazwa ngezigaba zabo, iningi lamalunga akhona azoba ngamaphoyisa omgwaqo esifundazweni. Ngokubambisana neBorder Management Authority, uthi cishe onogada abayikhulu bazoqeqeshwa ukuphatha izindawo zokungena njengoba izwe lilungiselela ingqungquthela yabaholi be-G20 eGoli ngenyanga ezayo.
Even prior to their legal designation, candidates wardens proactively began training with various law enforcement agencies, including the Gauteng Traffic Police, the Metro Police Department, and the South African National Defence Force. To date, the effort has resulted in significant upskilling of these wardens. To enhance professionalism and service delivery, approximately 8,800 traffic wardens from the 5 corridors have completed a multifaceted training program.
ULesufi uthi abanye onogada bazojoyina amaphoyisa omgwaqo eGauteng, kuthi laba abafanelekile bazojutshwa komasipala abahlukahlukene ukuze kugcinwe umthetho kamasipala. Labo nogada abadume ngelokuthi amapanyaza sebegubuzelwe izinxushunxushu selokhu bethulwa ngonyaka ka-2023.
Covering critical areas such as criminal law, evidence law, personnel ethics, the prevention of brutality, firearm training, and the service of protection orders. Following their peace officer designation, which gave traffic wardens the same legal standing as Gauteng traffic officers, it was necessary to now reconfigure their training and develop new procedures to integrate them into the provincial law enforcement framework.
Upanyaza uthi uzoqeda amahebezi ukuthi labo nogada abakulungele ukuba unogada njengoba bezoqeqeshwa ngokufanelekile. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginguNobuhle wakwaNdlovu ngibika ngiseGoli.